Hello, future investors. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of finance? Let's get started. Understanding risk management. One of the biggest mistakes that new investors often make is neglecting risk management. A significant example of this happened during the market chaos of 2008. As the financial crisis escalated, many investors panicked and sold their stocks at extremely low prices, fearing they would never recover. In contrast, savvy investors who recognized the importance of risk management saw this as a golden opportunity. They diversified their portfolios and held onto quality investments, which eventually bounced back as the market recovered in the following years. Establishing your strategy. To prevent such pitfalls, it's crucial to create a solid risk management strategy. Start by evaluating your risk tolerance. Understand how much market volatility you can handle without losing sleep. This assessment will guide your investment decisions, helping you find a balance between potential growth and acceptable risk. Using stop-loss orders. Setting up stop-loss orders is another smart strategy. For example, if you buy a stock at $50, consider placing a stop-loss order at $45. This way, you'll automatically sell if the price drops to low, shielding yourself from making impulsive decisions during market declines. The importance of diversification. Additionally, diversification is essential. By spreading your investments across different sectors such as technology, healthcare, and consumer goods, you can reduce the impact of any single asset's poor performance. Reviewing your strategy. Regularly reviewing your investment strategy is also vital. This practice allows you to adjust your tactics based on shifting market conditions, helping you avoid decisions driven by fear or greed. Conclusion. Effective risk management can be the key to success in investing. By understanding your risk tolerance, implementing protective measures like stop-loss orders, and maintaining a diversified portfolio, you can navigate the unpredictable market with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more investment tips. See you next time.